Who's there? I'm trying to sleep. Oh, sir. What are you doing here? It's awfully early. Everyone's still asleep. Did something happen? I'll tell you once Ego wakes up. Morning, Thomas. Who are you talking to? It's really Oh, hello, sir. What are you doing here so early? We're not due to start for another couple hours. Is anything wrong? No, but the Fat Controller told me to tell you all that we are getting new engines, and they're arriving today. They should be here shortly. Here they are now! Still waiting on that failure, I suppose. Yup, we are. Look at those small little engines over there. We'll be sure to take over this railway. Yes, we will. That was a long journey. I don't know if I'll be able to work here very well. Oh, hello. Oh, good morning, everyone. What's going on? Oh, new engines? Hello, I'm Edward. Nice to meet you. Alright, engines, this is Henry, and those two are 98462 and 87546. Make sure that you give them all a nice warm welcome and treat them good, alright? Well, have a good day, engines. I'm off. Hello, Henry. I'm Eagle. It's nice to meet you. I hope we can be friends. Yeah, that would be nice, I guess. And I'm Thomas. I'm the number one and the station pilot, so I'm a pretty big deal around here. He's also a cheeky bastard. Better watch out and make sure he doesn't play any tricks on you. I've dealt with worse on my old railway. I'm sure he won't be any trouble for me. He's nowhere near as bad as those two over there, as far as I can tell. They're just assholes. They treat me like shit. Yes, he is such a failure. Assholes, huh? What do? They would always bully me about my stupid steaming troubles. No one can figure out what the problem is. Well, at least no one's told me. But they always make a huge deal over it, like I'm a complete failure who can not even work. It's just so infuriating. I'm just sick of those two. Hope they get sent away one day. Well, I'll show them a thing or two. Just you wait. They'll be in for a big surprise. Thanks, Thomas. Oh, well, would you look at the time? I've got to go try to take the first train of the day. Hope I have enough steam. Goodbye.